So we came today, we saw, we shopped. We love to come every time this craft fair's here. A lot of new vendors today, which was great.
We're very excited. We made lots and lots of purchases.
Yes.
Metal artwork for the backyard.
Headbands for yoga.
A purse.
A purse.
Yeah, we covered every area.
Yes.
So we love, this is one of our favorite arts and crafts fairs, and we drove about 45 minutes to an hour to get here.
Well, what brought me here today was the bus from the retirement community, and it's a whole trip. I found some wonderful deals here. I got a beautiful jacket, and I found a ceramic holder for flower arranging, which I just started taking, so it's perfect. I just really enjoy it. I enjoy coming every year.
The three of us have been going to these festivals every year, twice a year pretty much, all together, and we get lots of nice crafts and food and artwork and jewelry and lots of gifts.
So we've been coming since it started, and we come to spring and winter every year. We'll be back again next in the fall.